Good morning, children. How do you do? Shall we learn today again vowels? Before going to vowels, shall we sing the song of sounds? Yeah. A for apple, A says A. A for apple, A says A. B for ball, B says B. B for ball, B says B. A for apple, A says A. B for ball, B says B. C for cat, C says K. C for cat, C says K. D for dog, D says da. D for dog, D says da. E for elephant, E for elephant, E says A. F for fan, F for fan, F says fa. G for goat, G says G. H for hat, H says ha. I for India, I says E. J for jug, J says jug. K for kite, K says ka. L for lamp, L says lamp. M for monkey, M says ma. M for monkey, M says ma. N for noon, N says na. N for noon, N says na. O for orange, O says O. O for orange, O says O. Sometimes it gives you a and O sound also. P says parrot, P for pa. Q for quill, Q says ku. R for rat, R says ra. S for sun, S says sa. T for tail, T for tur. U for umbrella, U says a. V for van, V says va. W for watch, W says v. X for xylophone, X says charm. Y for york, Y says yaw. Z for zebra, Z says z. Okay, so these are the sounds. Among these sounds, we have a special sound, that's vowels. Here we have 5 letters here. These are vowels. What are they? Vowels. See here, A, E, I, O, U. So what does A say? A says A. A says A. Say again. A says A. There are so many words for A. Apple, alligator, airplane. So many. Ant. Like this we can make it. Yes. Coming to E. Sometimes it sounds A. Sometimes it sounds E. I sounds E and I. Both the sounds you get here. O says O. Then U says umbrella. A. Okay. So now we are going to see these suffixes of A. With the A, if you add B, how does it sound? A, B, ab. What do you get? A, B, ab. Okay. Now, if we keep M, what do you get? A sound. M. Am. Okay. Now let us see C. C. What do you get? Ak. Right? Let's go for next letter here. Yes. If you add A and S, what do you get? S. A says A, S says Sa. S. Right? So now we will go for 3-letter words now. Now we are going to see here an. 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 Let us take this suffix and make some words, right? Now how to make some words? Now let us see. This is the 2-letter word now. So if you put B here, what does it make? B-A-N, ban. What is that? B-A-N, ban. So what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, isn't it? Now using that vowel, we are making a word here. See here. Day before yesterday we have seen at. Now we are going to see an. Before what did we see? A-T, isn't it? Today the suffix is an. So we are going to use this an with other letters and make the sentence. Now what do you see here? B-A-N. B says ba, A says a, N says na. So come on, how do you pronounce this? B-A-N, ban. B-A-N, ban. Shall I remove this B and we will make one more word like this. What is this word now? M. M says ma, isn't it? M-A-N. What does it make? Man. M-A-N, man. So first what did I say? B. B-A-N, ban. M-A-N, man. B-A-N, ban. M-A-N, man. Now let us go for another letter and say R. R-A-N. What do you get? Ran. B-A-N, ban. M-A-N, man. R-A-N, ran. We can use C also and write C-A-N, can. Can means I can do this. C-A-N, can. Can, ban, man, ran. Yes? Any other word you can write? You can add one more letter and do like this. That is T-A-N, tan. T-A-N, tan. So come on children, right now. B-A-N, ban. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. R-A-N, ran. T-A-N, tan. Shall we go to next letter? Van. V-A-N, van. How to write van? V. V says va. A. A says a. N says na. Van. Say again. Van. Can, ban, man, ran, tan, van. Repeat again. Can, ban, man, ran. Okay, we will add one more letter here. So that is D. What can we say now? D. A. N. Dan. Repeat that. D-A-N, Dan. Shall we go for another letter? Yes, that is F. F-A-N, fan. Say again. F. F for fur. A-N, fan. So now according to the alphabetical orders, if you write, ban comes first, then can. After that what does come? Dan. Next, fan, man, then ran, tan, van. Will you put it in the order according to the alphabetical order and will you write it? Now see again. A-N, an. A, R sound, N, in. So, an. When we suffix with the C, you get the sound can. With the B, you get ban. Can, ban, man, ran, tan, van, tan, fan. Come on. You repeat now speedily. Come on. Can, ban, man, ran, tan, van, dan, fan. Are you? Come on, once again repeat. Can, ban, man, ran, tan, van, dan, fan. Okay? So, shall we go to another letter today? So, A-N over now. We are going to see A-R. A, A-E, I-O-U vowels. Now, we are going to use A-R. How's A-R? Look here. This is A, isn't it? This is suffix R. A, R, R. So, if you put C here, you get C-A-R, ka. C here, how do you pronounce? C, ka. It's a consonant. So, A is vowel here, middle one, and it gives C plus A, ka. R is here, silence. So, ka. C-A-R, ka. That we will go in the next class. Once again, I will repeat what are the vowels. Let us repeat again. A-E-I-O-U or 5 vowels. The remaining 21 letters in alphabets are consonants. So, now using an, we can make some words. 3-letter words. C-A-N, can, B-A-N, ban, M-A-N, man, R-A-N, ran, T-A-N, tan, V-A-N, van, D-A-N, tan, dan, F-A-N, fan. So, you are, look here. Let us look at the homework now. Homework. So, today you take this homework and complete this homework. What is the homework I have given there? Write the alphabets, capital letters and small letters. Second question is write 10. You have to write like this 10. 1, 2, I have given here 7. So, you can make 3 more and make 10 3-letter words ending with A-N, an. Will you do it? Yes? We will see in the next class. Okay? Bye. Till then.